Nearly 2 years ago, I came and did a big ride, popped into this service station and refueled. 2 days later, the biggest flood ever hit this area. The service station has still not reopened. I don't think it ever will, by the looks of it. They've taken the pumps and everything away. And during the flood, all the people from the town got on the top of that bridge. That's the only way they survived. The entire town went under. When I say under, I mean under. The IGA, which is IGA is our Independent Grocery Association, shops, essential, really essential supermarkets for rural towns. It was destroyed so much it still hasn't opened. It probably never will open. So many people have lost their livelihood and gone through hell. And yep, everybody just got on the top of that bridge. People, horses, dogs, whatever. Well, the entire town went under. 2 days after I came and visited. So, along the same lines, a couple of weeks ago, I came along here, did some exploring off to the right, and then crossed a temporary bridge to the right here to continue on that way. 2 days later, a flood came through and this happened. And it completely washed away the temporary bridge, which they're now trying to repair. So, is it me? Am I the curse? Can I start, getting people to sponsor me and they'll pay me if I don't come round their place, especially if there's rain forecast? Nah, I guess I'm not the curse really. I just happen to be there and record it, and it's interesting because I've now recorded things that are no more. So yeah, interesting. Anyway, just a brief one, and hopefully I don't cause any more disasters. Alright, thanks for watching, hope to catch you on the next one. In the meantime, be safe and be happy. Cheers people!